St. Elizabeth dressed to post foot. Just look up on stage. When we reach on stage for the interview, they might tell me so they didn't know something. They not even know about me saying forward.
Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Yo, Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Now Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion Foot.
Bless up the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot. Lion Foot.
Lion foot to the world.
Lion Foot TV.
Oh, Lion foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot TV. Big up Lion Foot TV.
Lion foot. Lion foot, you're so great. Cause you're blessed by the Most High.
Bless all our greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Wake up on the damn self. I don't know a lion put on another vlog. So give thanks to life. Just a coming after the work after 2 in the morning, you know. Tired. Sit down for my staircase, yeah. But we didn't have to touch a topic here. You see me? Yeah, man, big up Brimstone. The artist fly all the way from Florida for an interview on stage and nothing. It wasn't arranged. Them taking money. Well, me said the money run backstage, but I don't know about it. Very unprofessional. As a man said, who feels it knows? 2018, I experienced the same thing.
Who feels it knows? Who feels it knows?
Yeah, Jamaica, 18 months. So man say put in the work and everything and you man say, yeah man, so when me a Brimstone come out and lash out, me I say, John was there, one for the same brother, the same PR. But me have a song still, you know. Where I'm going to talk about everything tonight. Zane, big up Nara, big up Ari. But Brimstone, I first came aware of it. You know, Motamasi. Big up Motamasi. They say, Fear Majors cover it. They say, no, I have to cover this. Now I can another day pass. You see me? Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Zane, yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, wicked out them, man. I tell you, I saw them deal with upcoming artists. You see me artists we are try. Imagine. You see me? Brimstone. I say you go Papa. Hopefully Winfred them see this and give an interview, you know? And reach out and give an interview, Papa. Cause if you get to them you have to go through a publicist and then the publicist them some of them have link, you know. And some of them professional but some of them unorganized, some of them just deal with young artists. I saw them deal with young artists. As I say, because me there around them and I say, oh, them operate, them have links and them, yeah. But when a young artist, them now do that to the big artists, them boss already. You see me? So I'm making you a Brimstone, I say, you see me? You're a Brimstone, I say.
Brimstone, aka about cannabis this year. Just they have to address something, you know? Fly all the way from Florida down here. For go up on stage. Left from St. Elizabeth dressed to post foot. Just look up on stage. When we reach on stage for the interview, they might tell me so they didn't know something. They not even know about me saying forward. PR publicist my money and everything. Mash up any amount of money for forward there. So rent car and everything. Yo. People, fans and friends who don't see me on stage, me just not gonna know. Why am I not on stage? Winford, Jason. God bless you.
Yeah, man, big up Brimstone. So you go, Papa. Viewers and subscribers, it's not easy out there. All of the young artists. But if you're not dealing with badness, and I me never want to take it that way there, you know. Me never want to take it that way there, because I could have. But I say, no, I'm the man of peace. I just love them. You see me? With that Jamaica 18 months. Put in the work. I got enough platform I go up and I do my thing before I meet this PR, this publicist. I keep it on video shoot. Me and White Shadow, I do the behind the scenes with my camera. See, my song start play a grand spin and everybody I say, yo, that song you go bust, you know, I'm station at the yard. Nobody knows I'm missing this song, as God live it. Zine and the publicist, you see me, we say I'm the king PR, you see me? I say, yeah man, that song you bad, man, who am I going to hear it, man, and see it's a book in the yard, I go and spend with them, have the whole bus them, and you see me? And when the people them say, see the artist, yeah man, my head starts well big now, you know, because me everybody I say, yo, that song you go bust, you know, that song you go, you have to do it, you see me? And when Shadow say, see the artist and Casper, I stay so humble, quiet, my head as well big, because I say, yes, Father God, I this 18 months me do at Jamaica, I nearly get the break, you know, until me make this PR. Zine. Everybody I go and see me and say, yes, I am for true, we see him on TV. I remember my career was going on great before me make this PR. Him do it. I took a package from him, £3,500. Call my management in England and say, yo, you know, so I find a link. You see me? But I did have my publicist I used before, you know. But I just threw where I say a Casper link. Big up Casper. You see me? Because man Casper will fall out and cuss. You see me? Man deal with me rash. I get a couple things, yes. But enough things I never get. You see me? I say, enough things on the package I buy, I choose. Because I say, to the amount of work I put in already, that package is supposed to seal up everything. Because my face, enough people are linked me to come on them show, come perform as a young, you know? And I say, alright, then I work with that PR. Because I see my pull strings, he have link. Him thing turn up. But that's how them deal with young artists. That's why more time for deal with badness when I see how some artists do them certain things. And you see me? But I true me that, yo, I tell you, so brimstone, go on with it. Because right now, this just stir back a can of worms in me, you know. This just stir back a can of worms in me. Because it's like me, I get flashbacks. You see me?
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and ground in a shame for time. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Growing up, my life wasn't easy.
My fans, my viewers and subscribers. Me are working at the school, you know, because I say, nah, come back to England till I get the break, you know. 17 years me I try, you know. I stay as a boop and a referee for the JFF and Kasafa out there doing refereeing whilst working in the school. Zine, football coaching and teaching. Zine, and this man called me and say interview. Because time I run up now, I say, wagwan, enough things put off, many things I put off. I say, go on a nightly fix, have an interview set up. I turn up on nightly fix, me and White Shadow. I say, Shadow, I come pick you up. Left the principal say, yes, go on, because you done the music of your first choice. You see me, say the principal, the head teacher say, go on, man, we're happy for you, man. Drive, go pick, left school, drive, go pick up Shadow, turn up a UV. Yanni Curvedy was dead as my witness. You see me? I turn up and do out the side and Curvedy will do an interview and now them come out and say, hey Mark, what you do here? Now them know me. I've been on Netflix before. On my own behalf through networking. Zine, big up Nara, big up Ari. So Nara say, hi Mark, what you do here? I say, no, sir, such man send me up here, the King PR. And I said, no, sir, not in a book for you. We don't know about that. I feel so ashamed. I'll call every day and say, boy, I tell you, I feel so embarrassed. I ask Shadow as my witness. I do a song about it, you know, but I just have to drop it now. You see me, as a matter of fact, I edit a little video when I do it on my phone. I do a little video on my phone and I'm going to drop it out. But the song out there already still on my channel. You see me, Lion in the Jungle. You see me? I'm supposed to get Netflix was on the package, Onstage was on the package, Entertainment Report was on the package. We must start questioning and say, why go on, time passed, you know? The time gone, what's going on? The man say, Anthony Miller say, I have to go pull a stunt for them come and interview me. I do something quick. I say, pull a stunt and I say, I'm not drawing a stunt for boss. I know my style that. You see me? On stage, when futile, nothing never happened, nothing never come out of it. You know what I mean? Send guys show downtown. People them say them don't know of that. I lucky thing say they know my song. I end up performing with Richie Spice and them thing there. Enough lucky thing, but me not telling him. I tell you, it's so annoying. Imagine £3,500, you know. You never get it one time selling installments. But the fact remains, him get the people them money and I say, my money, you know. People money who believe in me, I say them are invest. You see me? And them get back their money. And it never, well, I tell my viewers and subscribers, wicked out this too. All of the young artists them, and I have to be careful. And if you don't have a manager, I know I'm hungry, I want boss. And I might work hard to save the money and be careful, you know. There are good publicists out there, you see me, but some of them have so much work doing. I mean, I say this PR is a bad PR still, you know. I'm not rap me, you know. Well, Who the same rob me still. Him go around me because him take the money, get the money where the package costs, but not all of the stuff that was delivered from the package. Few look a radio play and you know, two look in want to send me to ITV 3 times. I said, no, my road manager used to work for ITV. I've been on ITV before you send me go there. I want to send me go there 3 times. I have to stick out and say, nah, go back there, sir. I do ITV 3 times. Big up your one. Because even your one want me, they don't want me to come around him for come do something and realize that I can't do my editing and them thing there. You know what I mean? But it's just so frustrating, man. I saw them deal with them, yo. That's why I see some artists deal with them certain way. Badness. You want to get into music, you have to have badness. They have a couple. I don't want to take it there with because I'm the man of peace, my viewers and subscribers. I'm the man of peace. I never want to go down that road there because if I go down that road there, it's too pretty. You see me? Yeah, it's too pretty. But I saw it go, man. You don't know God now sleep. You see me? I'm saying that the song. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up everybody and big up White Shadow. White Shadow, that's my witness. You see me? I say, and I still have all of the receipt them. Every payment, me get receipt. Me still have the receipt them. You know what I mean? Me have the email, the package, everything. You know? Me talk about it several times on my platform, but I just say, who feels it knows. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. We're not going to try, but I feel that we're not stop trying. You see me? We know we have the talent and the ability. And in that same period, when we have the setback, I got a call and I went on the buzz. Big up the DJ Bones. You see me? When I had that setback, the Onstage and the ER and the Night Fix, you see me? I got a call and I went on the buzz. IRA was there, me, IRA New Kids. You see me? Man come from Germany, come see me in a Casper studio yard. I hear me song and say, you sing that song, I can't believe. Man said, this now play a Belgium enough, man, the same stunt song, man. You see me? I'm who feels it knows and bring me to Belgium. Me and Purple, man. Rest in peace, Purple, man. You see me? You see me, I say? Bring me to Belgium, and I go to Germany the said time to go do Nuremberg Festival. Big up Kirkwork. You see me I say? Me who feels it no song get for break the ice when I start cause Jamaican them accept it and I get whole heap of contact at Jamaica. You see me? TVJ then call me. You want to call me for come host top 10 show out of my bed. You see me? But I choose me never have the money, as me don't stay longer. I wouldn't come back to England. I choose my money, run out of money, I don't know. Vibes done broke the PR and go around the thing and sabotage the thing. You see me I say? Yeah man. And next thing he tell me, he said there are people who say them can't let me choose so easy because them not get nothing out of me, just come with the big song. All of those stuff him tell me, you know. I'm not telling no lie. You see me? But Brimstone, I say go man, big up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. You see me, regular me talking, but look out for the song. You see me? Yeah man. Lion in the Jungle. You have to see it soon, man. You see me? I don't edit it up yet because work and them things. You see me? I have to work and do what I can do and then stop again. And you see, but I say, who feels it knows. Big up Painland, big up the whole Jamaica. We say stop the crime and they want to have peace. You see me? Yeah, man, we not stop trying. Because one day, from me have life, I know say Father God will let me through the door. You see me? But Brimstone, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Young artists, keep trying and no one will go with the money because some PR will make them do them things and only end up in a prison. You see me I say? Yeah man, a lion foot with another vlog. I don't know, I might wake up on yourself. Whole heap of love. Cheers. True story about violence.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.